back to my channel. This is the best place for entrepreneurs, content creators, and those who want to convert their knowledge into profitable business on the internet. I am IJAPARI Gang, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 7 mistakes you need to avoid as a beginner content creator. This is coming as an advice from me to you because all the mistakes I made, I don't want you to make the same mistake. So that this is what you get for watching, for sharing, for liking. And by the way, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button, share this video, like, comment, ask questions. I will always be with you in the comment section of this video. So the first mistake you need to avoid as a beginner content creator is you need to have a customer avatar. You need to know your target audience. It's very important. I always use this analogy with my students. Like, if you are going to buy sandals now in the market or a flat slippers, and you go to the market and you go to the line that they sell shoes, which one will you hit first? Is it the ones that they sell random shoes, all kinds of shoes, or the one that sells the specific one you want? So if it is the one, of course I know you will say the one that the specific shoe that you want. Maybe if you are going for flat and this particular shop they sell all kind of flat sandals, you go straight to that one instead of going to the one that has a lot of different kind of shoe, high heel, flat, sandal, and every other one. So it is with the internet. So you need to know your target audience. Don't make the mistake of being everything to everybody. At the beginning it might not be easy, but you are going to enjoy it as you grow. So you need to have a customer avatar. You need to know your target audience. You need to know who you want to serve. You need to know their location. Are they on YouTube? Are they on Instagram? Are they on Facebook? Are they on Twitter? So who is your target audience? Who is your target market? Who do you want to serve? Who needed your services, and so on and so forth. So you need to know this from the beginning. Don't make mistake of being everything to everybody. The second advice I share with you, or the second mistake I would want you to avoid, is I also want you to think at the long time. A lot of content creators, it could be that you are creating content on Facebook, you are creating content on YouTube, or even on Instagram, even on Twitter. A lot of beginner content creators, because you want to really grow fast, you are just everywhere. You don't have a long time plan for your channel or for your group or for your page. So you need to have a long-term plan. You need to think from the start. Why are you starting that channel? Why are you starting that group? Why are you creating that page? What is the reason behind your reason? What is your, are you going to be selling products in the long run? What is your personal branding? What is your logo? From the beginning is important. You should know this so that you know you have a long-term plan. It's not just about everything everywhere. No, try as much as you can to have a plan. That's why I always have been sharing my book for free. How to write a business plan is for free. I've been giving it. I'll link it, or the download link, in the description of this video, or you can just comment business plan in the comment section of this video so that I can give you the link to download that particular ebook. It's very important. It's all about the business. Even if it is YouTube is also a business. If it's a Facebook group, it's also a business. You can use that to have a long-term plan, the goal, the vision, the mission of your channel or of your group or of your page. Have a long-term plan. Are you going to sell products to them? What is your why? What is the reason behind your reason as a beginner content creator? So the next tip I will share with you, or the next mistake you need to avoid, or advice that I'm giving you, is feeling the sense of entitlement, or like poor collaboration of futures. Let me put it that way. Like, there are some people, maybe because you have watched 1, 2, 3 video, you started stalking the person on Instagram, or you stalk the person on YouTube. You are always there. Yes, it's good to follow, but don't feel entitled. There are some people that come to my DM. I remember just yesterday, someone reached out to me. The person commented on my YouTube. I said, okay, you can DM me on Instagram. When he went to the Instagram, after we chatted, I was like, okay, let's talk on phone. He was like, how can it be from your YouTube channel that I subscribed to you to? Do you know that I subscribed to your channel, and now you say I should come to your DM on Instagram, and from Instagram now phone call? You don't know. I was like, and he's a content creator. I was like, okay, Instagram is for closing deals. So how do you want us to be chatting publicly on YouTube comment section? We have to come to Instagram, and it has got to a point that I need to talk to you on call so that I would know specific what you really need, so that I can coach you, so that I can direct you, so that I can give you clarity. That is one. And then secondly, when it comes to collaboration, let's say as a small YouTuber or as a small content creator, you want to collaborate with someone that is higher than you. So instead of like, since you are in the same space with me, please, I want you to come and let's share in my video or this or that. No, there's a way you can approach the person. Maybe you just see the person that is about to publish her book. Let's say, for instance, if I see someone that have 50,000 subscribers, 100,000 subscribers, and I want to collaborate with him or her on my channel, all what I will do is I will just go study the person, check, watch out if there's anything the person is doing that is upcoming. Maybe the person wants to write and publish, is about to publish a book, or is talking about a particular program or visual summit or whatsoever. I can now say, hi IJAPARI gang, thank you for all you do. I have been following you on Instagram, on this, on that, and I discovered that we have a kind of similar kind of audience, and I see that you are about to publish your book on this. I would love to collaborate with you. You can come over to my channel so that we will talk, and I'll also give you the opportunity to talk about your upcoming event or upcoming book or this and that. That is how to collaborate. But that sense of entitlement, or that sense of like, because she has made it so you have to come and just be part of me, it's not going to take you anywhere. Please avoid that mistake. The fourth mistake, or fifth rather, that I would want you to avoid, or advice that I'm going to be giving you, is you need to stop sharing your video in wrong places. Let me tell you this. I know that as a starter or as a beginner content creator, especially if you are a YouTuber, it's not every group, or it's not everywhere you share your video content. That is why from the beginning, if you made a mistake of not knowing your target audience without defining your niche, you are going to have the problem till down here. Okay, like now, one thing with YouTube especially is retention. So let's say you're just sharing your YouTube link randomly on every platform on Facebook, and you now go and post it on the place that have nothing to do with the kind of content you are offering. They will come to YouTube, but the moment they see the video, because that is not their area of interest, immediately they are leaving, and that annoys YouTube. YouTube will just sink your content down below, like they will not bring it up again. It's going to be hard for you to pick up. So you need to know your target audience, as I said earlier, and then so that you will know where you can share your content. You should know the places that people that will be interested in your content will be, because YouTube also is a social media handle, and they want retention. So they want anybody that is coming to YouTube should keep remaining on YouTube. So you need to stop sharing your videos on groups that has nothing to do with what you are offering, because that is actually killing you. You might be having views, but there is no retention, there's no watch hour, and which is not good for you as a starter or as a beginner. And I know some people will be saying, the person I'm following has been doing this, has been doing that, or the video that the person I'm following, she's doing video about just about anything. Yes, with the reach that she has gotten, maybe she have already grown her audience, that they are ready to listen to her on whatsoever topic she's talking about. There are people that have gotten to a particular space on YouTube or on Instagram or on social media, that anything they talk about, their audience are just okay with that. But you as a beginner, you as a starter, you need to have focus. You need to have a target audience. You need to try as much as you can to see how you can bring people to your page, bring people to your Facebook group, bring people to your YouTube channel, so that they can stay, you can retain them as much as possible. The last but not the least tip I'm going to share with you is you need to be engaging with your audience. It's very important. Engagement is like the key thing on social media. All the social media handle, everybody is dragging to keep people, to retain people on their side. So how do you retain people on your side? You need to engage with them. Like, there's nobody that asks question in my on the comment section of my YouTube channel that I don't answer within 24 hours. If I've not answered your question, that means except if YouTube see that it's spamming and then they block it, I didn't even see it. Except that. Aside from that, I ensure that sometimes after every 6 hours, sometimes 2 hours, if I'm less busy, I would always come back to my whatever I post to check who has commented, who need help, who need assistance, who need to take it to the next level, so that I can always comment or talk with the person. Is very important. Engagement. You need to connect with people. And if you are not real, if you are not authentic, forget it. You cannot go far. People see it. It's video. Yes, I'm in my house now filming, but I'm sure a lot of people, the moment they see how I am talking, they will know if I know what I am talking about. So if you're finding this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button, turn the notification sign so that you get latest notification on our videos. And again, if you need help on how to convert your knowledge into profitable business on the internet, you can DM me on Instagram. I'm IJAPARI GYANG. In fact, I'm IJAPARI GYANG on all my social media handles. So until I come your way again in my next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.